Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture, we are given a quadratic equation y equal to x square plus 6x minus 1 and we cannot factorize it. You can see we cannot factorize it. So he says find the completing square of this equation, find the line of symmetry and also sketch the quadratic equation. So to find the completing square, we know that the completing square is, let's say, a plus minus b square can be written as a square 2ab b square. So we use the same terminology, x square plus 2a, what is b here, to make it 6, then square of b minus 1 minus 3 square. The square you add, so you have to subtract it. So the first three terms is a completing square, x plus 3 square minus 10. So student, this is the completing square form of the given quadratic equation. Now we have to find the line of symmetry. You can see that here two variables, one is x and second is y. The power of y is 1 and the power of x is 2. So it means this is an equation of parabola, and we have to find line of symmetry. So line of symmetry is x equal to minus 3, because you can write it as x minus 3 square minus 10. So line of symmetry is x equal to minus 3. And for the sketching, you can see, let's say this is the xy plane with the x-axis and y-axis, and firstly if I consider y equal to x plus 3 square, it means at minus 3 you have the vertex, and when we have minus 10, so we have to move then 10 unit downward, and you can draw it. This is the sketching of parabola.